Okay, we have our head here, and we're going to attempt to make something along this line. So this is kind of like my base, what I want to go with. So we got the head, and we've lined it all out where we want to work on it. We have the bottom chin and the lower mouth. We got the ears are done, which will go on here. And we have our two horns, which are done. And those are going to go somewhere up in here, like that. So these are all finished and sealed and ready for sanding. And then we'll set the mouth aside. We'll come to that, back to that later. The ears are going to be the last thing that get put on. I think this is what we're going to go with for the ears. I won't know till I get more of it done to see how it looks. So we're going to start by carving out this part in here around the nose and getting the cheeks down. There's not a whole lot of cheek to him here, just a little bit. And he's got more like a, doesn't have any eyebrows, just straight across. So that's what we're going to be working on next. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I will get back with you. Thanks for watching.